Hey everyone, there are a million videos on YouTube and an equal number of blogs and articles where financial advisors, fund managers, and anyone connected to the financial services industry talks about power of compounding and how it can make us rich. But it hasn't worked for many of us so far. So I tried to understand why such a simple thing is not working for many of us. And I figured out that it is because of 5 P's. I am going to talk about it as my experience. It would, in all probabilities, be the same set of issues for you as well. So, what are the 5 P's? Number one, patience. I do not have the patience to wait for 10 years. Forget 10 years. I can't wait 10 days. I want to get rich overnight, which is why I run behind this penny stock or that plot which will double money in 3 years, or open that fancy cafe where the box is going to tingle with money from day one onwards. I am happy to run behind anything that will make me rich quick. I don't have the patience to wait for 10 years. I don't have patience. Then better I forget this principle. Number two, persistence. Am I ready to stick to the core principles of investing? In 10 years, I can see a million products which comes out and screams new and exclusive in attractive packaging. Am I willing to stick my neck out and say that I will not fall for these marketing tactics and stick to the core idea of investing, which is very simple? There are only two ways in which you can make money. You can either loan your money or you can own something, right? If you are giving a loan, you're going to give an interest, and in a period of time, you're going to get that money back with the interest. If you're going to own something, you are going to derive value of that ownership from that organization or that business or whatever, and over a period of time, it will give you returns. So fundamentally, these are the only two options. But what happens is it gets packaged in multiple ways to attract me. I'm likely to keep shifting my strategy so many times in the next 10 years that the impact of power of compounding will never be felt. Number three, procrastination. I always want to start tomorrow, not today. And this is not just investments, it's for anything good in life. As a kid, I wanted to play first and then study later. As an adult, when it comes to dieting, I want to start the diet tomorrow, or sleep that extra half an hour today and start my exercises from tomorrow. By the time tomorrow happens, it's already too late to have any impact on my life. Number four, purpose. Power of compounding works only for one purpose. Since it takes at least 10 years to show its magic, the purpose has to be a really strong purpose. If you want to buy a car in, say, 3 years from now, then power of compounding will not work. It needs to have a really strong purpose. Let's say something like retirement corpus. If you have a strong purpose, like I want to accumulate 5 crores in the next 10 years, you will definitely see the impact of power of compounding. If I don't have any real purpose and just want to make money, there are other ways to do it. Number five, prioritize. My priorities keeps changing very regularly. I start with the purpose to accumulate 8 crores by 2025. And I follow it diligently for about 12 months. And then I want to quit my corporate job and become an entrepreneur. I quit my job and I start my own business. And where does power of compounding go? Dustbin. In summary, the most powerful concept, power of compounding, and its magic is not going to work for me unless I am ready to be patient, be persistent, avoid procrastination, have purpose clarity, and prioritize my goals. Without these 5 P's, compounding will only be a myth, definitely not a magic. Happy to answer more questions. Keep writing to us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Follow us on YouTube. Thank you for this one.